Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with Money Pit RC. In today's video, we are going to do more upgrades to the Losi Micro B. So here is our Micro B. In the last episode, we did everything suspension related. We did lower arms, we did the front caster blocks, we did the front knuckles, we did shocks, we did rear arms, we did pretty much all the suspension components we could do. So this video is supposed to be a motor and all the electronics, basically, episode. But the motor is still on pre-order and I can't get a hold of it yet. So we're just going to skip that. We already have the servo. There it is. We already have the servo. We have a mount and we have a servo horn. So we're going to get all those installed. We're going to do a little test before, see the power and the speed of the servo. We're going to install it, and then we're going to do another test, see if it changed at all. And then I got a fun little thing for you guys. I bit my tongue. So I also got a fun little thing for you on this episode. I did print some ramps for it, so we're going to try those out and see if they work. So let's talk about the servo a little bit, and then let's get it installed. Alright, so here's the servo we're throwing in. It is the torq TCM 1001. Supposedly it is just a micro servo for like airplanes and little cars, but here's all the specs. If you want to pause the screen, read that. I'll also leave a link in the description box below where you can check it out. But this thing is beautiful. Love these torque servos. I have a whole bunch of them. Here is a servo horn specifically for the Micro B. And here is the aluminum motor mount that we need to install said servo. So I think this thing should have crazy amount of speed. So this is a coreless servo. Don't know what that means. Just reading. Fast operating speeds. So we're going to test this thing out, see how actually fast it is. Let's see how powerful this servo is. The battery installed. Pretty fast. It's pretty responsive. But you put a little weight down low. Barely moves. So we're gonna So let's get the servo installed and see if it makes a difference. So I was right. It is an AS1 servo. So it is literally a STX24 servo. Servo saver and everything. Got it out super easy. Very easy to get out. No issues there. Oh, this thing feels nice. This thing feels really nice. It's a lot smaller than the STX24 servo. That's probably why they gave you that mount. But we're going to get everything wrapped up. Jesus, that's fast. So I had the steering rate up the whole way for the stock servo. Can you see that? Whichever way I turn, that wheel is going more because of the throw of the servo is more than stock. So I gotta turn that steering rate down a little bit, just to where that'll be good. Definitely fast. Definitely faster. Oh yeah, plenty of power. I'm down the whole way, and this actually moves good. That's funny about the steering rate. Hey, it's fast and it's cool. So let's hit some ramps. Okay, so I don't have much space in here due to moving rooms, but I have enough. And these ramps probably won't even stay. Oh. I gotta going to put some non-sliders on these ramps. Hey! I made like a little track. I mean, it works. They work. Alright. There we go. Let's change it up a little bit. Driving these things other than carpet is so hard to control. So that is the torq TCM 1001 micro servo for the Losi Micro B. Micro servo for a Micro B. Guess it was meant to be. Anyway, great servo. You know, have no issues with these torq servos. Installed, no problems. Quality, fit, finish, fantastic. Super powerful servo for this little car. I mean, this thing is powerful. It's got plenty of speed, plenty of power. I hope you guys enjoyed those little ramp videos. I do need to get non-stick pads for the bottom of those ramps. I feel like they will be great in future videos, especially on carpet, where I want to have this thing when I get the motor and stuff. Make sure you keep your eyes peeled for that video, because this thing, brushless, is going to be absolutely nuts. So I will leave a link in the description box below where you can pick up the servo mount, the servo horn, anything you need for the Micro B. It'll be in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. You know I enjoy reading through all your feedback. Catch you guys in the next video.